Okay guys, so I just got done doing the wiring. Now it's not finished yet. I still have some stuff I gotta take care of. But let me show you what the lights look like. Now, as far as just using it during the day, we had to wire up this big power switch here because this thing could be capable of pulling, say, 100 amps. It probably won't do it. I'd be really surprised if it did, but the switches I normally use, like I use on these rigs, they would fry if it pulled anywhere near that. So I had to go get this big marine switch. Well, it's a battery switch, which works great actually because it gives me the option for left battery, right, and then an off switch too. But anyway, so during normal operation, this is what we got. Little red flashers. Wish they were amber, but hey, they look all right. And then if we're going to be using this thing at night, the switch for that is right here in the front. And this is what we got right here. The two headlights light up a nice broad area up in the front. We got a light here on the side, which I'm not in the sand. This will be really bright because it will reflect off of there for the around the outside. And then we got our big tail light. So it's coming together. It's coming together quite well. Man, those bright. I wasn't sure how bright those headlights are going to be, but I like them now, though. Man, that looks nice. So, good night, guys. I'm going to bed.